Shouldn't it be like... Shouldn't it be the other thing?
Shouldn't be one other thing. No, do that one first.
I think it's gonna be switch.
Well, the switch come in that small of a box?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Right. What?
Right, keep tearing. Right. What does Quinn have?
You have a switch? You got a switch for me?
Of both of you.
Let's open it immediately. Right now. What's this?
Right.
Right now.
Help with this.
That's just a protector,
this
Riley.
Is the screen protector.
For the switch. That's there.
Yeah, open more.
Let's have the switch. That's right. Wait. Hold on.
What? Come here.
Oh, it's a new pitch.
Come down here. Come on.
I can't believe
Down
all
here.
these. I can't believe for all these years I finally got a switch.
Come on. You both.
Both, yes.
It's for both and share.
Right. I turned the switch. I just turned the switch, right? I turned the switch. Wait, what? Wait a sec. The toy cars are for multiplayer. And Super Mario Maker 2 is multiplayer. So that means we two can play together.
That is right. That's why. Both of you will share that.
I always wanted a Nintendo Switch. I've always wanted a Nintendo Switch. Like, why? I always wanted a Switch for all these years. Finally, I have it. Dun dun dun.
It's not charged or anything though.
Yeah, guys, we gotta charge it up.
Well, I gotta put the covers on.
I love you guys. You're the best family I had ever. No other family would give me a Switch like you guys.
Now it sounds like you are adopted.
Stuff works.
What?
Stuff doesn't work.
I don't know how any of it works. Actually.
How does it connect?
I don't know. But that's what we're gonna have to.
2020 Christmas is the best. Thank you guys. Anyway, every restaurant you make 5 stars. Every shop you make 5 stars.
What?
That's right. Thank you. That is the highest of compliments.
Oh, it's okay.
I have had to wait for my most favorite gift. Even Nintendo
This is the membership.
And
Just
be
don't lose
polite.
this. Go
Got
put that
it.
up on my wallet, please.
What?
What? We lose it every